GeekWraps Hand Utility Installer is a sturdy, lightweight, compact tool that's comfortable in your hand and easy to use. It's the newest addition to our line of EZWrap Pro installers. We're installing a sample of General Formulations AutoMark calendar wrap vinyl on a simulated box truck side with rivet lines equivalent to a 16-foot box. The rows of rivets are much closer than on an actual truck side, so that it becomes a more challenging installation. At GeekWraps, we prefer to use a one-piece application technique, which ensures perfect lineup of graphics and cuts the entire installation time to a fraction of the time that would be spent paneling on the vehicle. And the GeekWraps installer tools will allow us the option to lay all the rivets first, then squeegee all the area between the rivets while the air egresses out the bottom, top, and sides. When using this one-piece installation method and covering all sides completely before applying any of the vinyl to the surface, it's necessary to find the rivet lines before starting the application. This can be accomplished by heating a portion of the vinyl, in this case with a heat gun, and then by rolling horizontally along the top edge of the vinyl with the hand utility installer, the rivet lines will become visible. Once the top line of rivets is visible, you will be able to interpret the location of the vertical rivet lines. It's always fun when GeekWraps introduces one of our new tools to the market. Each tool having been tested in the field for a couple of years, GeekWraps' line of vehicle wrap installation tools are not just ordinary utility tools. They are developed and manufactured to increase installation flow, ultimately becoming substantial time-saving tools. Using the tools in conjunction with our regimented systematic installation procedures, first evaluating each project, then starting with the same technique of application, you will continue to produce superior installations time after time, which adds up to consistency of results for both you and your clients. Another option to laying down the rivets and working the air out of the vinyl between the rivets is to work the vinyl on the sides of the rivets first, creating an open air channel top to bottom around all the rivets. Once this open air channel is created, the installation is completed by heating and rolling the rivet lines top to bottom. As we watch the wrap industry continue to grow and expand from advertising to customization of personal cars, and see the introduction of different types of wrap media, including floor and wall wrap vinyls, wrap installation is becoming a valuable talent, and more often is seen as a form of creative art. The more you challenge yourself and strive for perfection in your installations, the more rewarding it can be. This portion of the wall shows a closer look at how the air flows out between the rivet lines that have been applied with the EZWrap Pro installer. This will be much easier on an actual truck because the rivet lines are spaced further apart. The air is egressed in a smooth, controlled movement using a proper squeegee angle and light, consistent pressure. While continually watching and reading the vinyl with this process, the air flows in a conformable, regulated egression. The Hand Utility Installer is a specialty tool that can be used for various applications depending on the installer and the type of installation. If an installer prefers to use a heat gun instead of a torch, the hand installer can be used in the same way our other EZWrap Pro installers work with a torch. In this video, we feature a couple of different ways this hand tool can be used in this particular type of installation. There are circumstances you may run into as an installer where a conventional type roller with the axle supports protruding on the sides of the roller won't allow the roller to get as close as needed, for example to edges or corners, without the roller axle supports hitting the side walls or scratching and marring the vinyl. This is when you can reach for the GeekWraps hand utility roller to snug up next to the edge and complete a rivet line, or just secure the vinyl on the edge. It can also be used for detailing, sometimes used in place of or in addition to a specialty squeegee. Here's a small but useful tip. When you're ready to trim or slice the finished vinyl, always remind yourself to start with a new blade point and edge. GeekWraps is continually testing new tools, concepts, and techniques. We currently have several tools in the field that we're evaluating for release. Our complete growing line of professional wrap tools are available for sale on our website. If you wish to acquire more hands-on working knowledge of our installation techniques, courses are being taught periodically. Call us for information and schedules. We are open to testing and using a variety of brands and types of media. If you have a product that you would like us to showcase on this channel using our tools, please contact us.